Okay guys, welcome to the channel. Today is Sunday and we're detailing. We got the special treat to detail a 1966 Chrysler 300. We already started. Before we even started the video, we wanted to get a little jump on it, and here it is. Let's check it out. We're at a location too. We can't let you know, but the owner is letting us film it, so that's nice of him. So we want to respect his privacy, not give the owner's name or the location. So right now we're just kind of cleaning it, and what we do, this is not going to be I'm not going to go in complete detail on the video. It's basically just going to be showing you a little process of what we're going to do. Check it out. It's pretty good. We're going to do our best to clean it up, make it shine. Thing's huge. I got this side kind of washed, cleaning it up pretty good. We're getting the engine clean right now. We're using the Wolfgang, like a rinseless wash, and we're spraying on engine bay to get some of the loose dirt. It's just mainly dust and a little bit of dirt, not much, before we do like a degreaser. So we didn't want to, we're doing that first and do a little bit of degreasing, and I'm probably going to put a spray wax inside here to make it shine a little bit and clean it up. So yeah, we'll just show you a little bit of details here and there when we get going on it. What do you guys think? Yeah, it's pretty cool to do. I'm honored to even detail something like this. This is sweet. We're enjoying this. It's nice and, get the details. I mean, look at it. Man, it's gonna look good when we're done. Instead of always doing a truck or something. Look at the detail on this thing. It's crazy. All right, guys, we're gonna keep going. We're getting ready to decon the body. We're using our Iron X on here. Kind of like to do this on pretty much any time we do a full detail. Just want to get it clean. I don't really think there's a lot of iron on this vehicle. It's not driven every day, but I just want to do it to make sure. Missed it on there and wait for it to turn purple. It's been on here for a few minutes and I haven't seen any. So just kind of showing the process of what we do to get these cars cleaned up. Man, that thing looks nice. Greek.
Alright, so here's the product we're going to be using to get some of this grease off in this engine bay. So we're going to see how good it works on here.
So far it looks like it's working pretty good, that shining bow shine. I'll have their link below too. If you want to pick it up, it's a small company. It's always nice to support a small company. And the products work pretty good, and they're not really pricey. Check it out. We got to do some cleaning, but it's working really good. Getting it cleaned up. Got a little bit of work to do on it. We can show the product. Just spray some right here. Look at that. I mean, even the spray, it's knocking it out. I mean, that's how good this stuff is. You see that bottle for you guys remember. Cherry detail. Look at that. Cleaning those old valve covers on a classic car. This stuff works pretty good for a classic car. I'm gonna be ordering some more of this stuff. Figure I show that in there. All right, look at that. Make sure we get the windshield wiper too in there. All right, got the kid working. And look how well it cleaned up the grease on the frame. Check that out. Look how well it cleaned that down there. Just let it sit for a little bit. Do a little bit of agitation with a little brush or a soft toothbrush. See how those little toothbrushes work pretty good. Get it all cleaned up. Dang, it's looking good. Okay, right now we're clay bar. We're using Giro's Garage clay bar right here. And look at the difference. We see it's wet right here. I like to use water and a lot of spray. Look at the difference in the paint. And this is just from clay bar, doing the Iron X, Tire X, taking the steps to get this paint clean. Look at that. I mean, it's already shining. And this is single stage paint, so if I didn't mention that. But look at that. And this right now is just cleaning. We have not polished it. I tell you what, man, it's a lot of work to clay bar this thing. The thing's huge. And then this is why you make your own detail spray too. Use the Wolfgang, make a gallon of it, because right there, because you're going to use it and you're going to save some money. Hopefully that helps. We got the engine still going. Engine, it's a lot of detail to get this engine clean, but it's looking good. All right, we'll keep going. In this video, we'll just show you kind of some of the little steps. Check it out. 300. Look how beautiful this front end. They don't make cars like that. Look at that. That's why these tools right here are perfect for getting up in here in this light. Get it all clean. Make it look good. You can get in here. Back there. Man, this thing has so many spots to get. Got some more. Gotta get it really clean. I'm gonna have to go over this front a couple times to get her done. Boom. All right, guys, we already been polishing on it. Gonna show you a little bit. We're trying to get the job done, so we haven't been making too much footage on it. Now we're not going for paint correction. We just want to give it a nice cleaning and some protection because they do dry this. So we got this done. Still got to do the trunk, and this is a single stage, and you are gonna have to clean your pads a lot and go through pads. Right now we're using a Chemical Guys white pad, and what's the white pad is for like minor, minor flaws in the paint, swirl marks, stuff like that. It's not gonna help for like deep scratches, this and that. With this being single stage paint, we don't want to cut too much, and that's the reason why we're going with that. And we are using Gyros finish and sealant, and this will basically help with getting a little bit of minor defects and put a sealant on there. And then the next day I am going to be putting Gyros Best of Show on here, give it some more protection and give it a little bit more shine. But it's coming out nice. I mean, I could probably go with a different pad and go a little bit deeper to get some of these scratches out, but yeah, I don't want to cut too much into that single stage. I mean, I could probably get away with it, but man, there's just some spots that just the paint's real thin, and I just don't want to take a chance, because right here it's thin. I didn't even touch that area right here, so I don't want to go too deep. I still got to do this, but the hood's done. You guys can still see some little infections in it, but it looks a lot better than what it did. I still got to do this side. We're almost there. I'm going to change out the pad, start with a fresh pad on there. So, but that's it. I mean, I could try, I don't know, see if they like it. If they want me to cut it some more, I can on the hood on certain areas. I just use different pads and probably the same product, or you can use the cut and cream. But man, I just not want to cut into it too much, and they just wanted a really good, a good cleaning detail too. So far, it's pretty good, and they're pretty happy with it so far. All right, we'll keep going. Give you guys a little update here and there. Check out the interior. Just getting it all cleaned up. Okay, we're pretty much all done, about 80%. I got some touch up to do tomorrow. I'll put a coat of wax on it. I can check it out. See how it came out. Okay, on the interior, we end up using the Adams leather interior cleaner and their conditioner on the vinyl. You can use this on the classic car vinyl. It came out pretty good. It'd be better if we had a steam cleaner to really get it. You're gonna see the results. I still got some more work to do tomorrow. We got that shined up. We even put the leather conditioner on the dash to give it some UV protection on the side. Oh yeah, came out pretty good. So that's, you guys ever do a classic car, you can use that stuff on the your vinyl. Just test a spot. Let's take a little look at it. And tomorrow the owner's gonna be looking at it. Boom. Look at that chrome. beautiful. Came out nice. Gotta do some stuff on the wheels. That's here. I mean the engine. 300. Kid did a good job on here. I'm gonna throw some wax on that. Check it out. Gonna be applying this next.